بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. 11.7 probability. First question, a bag contains 2 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, and 5 green. So the total inside the bag is equal 2 plus 4 plus 5, 2 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 11. If one marble selected at randomly, determine the probability that it's blue. What the probability of the event blue to be occurs? 4. So the answer is 4 over 11. For number 2, a 6-sided dice is rolled. We know that the sample space for one dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the probability to have a number that less than 2? Less than 2 is only one number, which is 1. 1 represented in how many faces? One face. So the answer is 1 out of 6. So what if I said a probability of a number that less than or equal to 2? If it's less than or equal to 2, it's going to be 2 out of 6, which is equal 1 out of 3. If the question is a free response, you don't have to simplify. Okay. For number 3, it's a written question. Construct a probability of model of the experiment. It's like the sample space of tossing a fair coin 3 times. The sample space of having or tossing a coin 3 times, it's the same like throwing 3 coins. I may have at the first one head or tail. So the first throwing could be head or tail. In the second one could be head or tail. And then in the third one could be head or so head, so I can have head in the first 3 throwing, or head, tail, so head, tail, or head, no, then head, tail, head, right? Then head, tail, then tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail. This is the sample space I may have when I throwing a coin 3 times. And number 4, tossing a 6 dice, a coin, no, throwing or rolling a dice fairly twice. The best thing is not to draw a tree map. The best thing through this one is to draw 2 perpendicular lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the first throw, 1, 2, 3, sorry. The first throw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for the first throwing. And the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 36 outcomes, which are 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, and so on. So I have 36 outcomes. 36 outcomes. Of course, I'm not going to write all of them. I'm just write the first one, 1, 2, 1, 3, for example, and so on, till the last one, which is 6 and 6. For number 5, 2 sides dice, the one that we drew the outcomes for it. What is the probability the sum of the 2 numbers on the dice will be 4? Let's go to the sum will be 4. What the outcomes here that give me 4? 1 and 3, 1 and the 3, here is 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 1. Anything else? So it's going to be 3 out of 36. By dividing up and down by 3, I think it's going to be 1 out of 12. So 3 out of 36, which is 1 out of